Many organizations over the decades have attempted to implement RCM with varying degrees of success. But what we find is many are not successful, and it often has to do with creating expectations in standard work, building organizational competency in a role that has not historically been in place in the organization, and validating that, and getting the rest of the organization to support it. So we've created this solution to help you overcome those and be successful in your RCM initiative. So it provides an opportunity for standardized processes and tools that everyone is sharing and doing the same way. It provides for faster onboarding and broader onboarding across a broader geography. You're not dependent on putting someone in a classroom or sending a coach. It has learning checks to validate competency, and it integrates risk and optimization. So while the solution is focused on standards-based classic RCM, it introduces this idea of considering risk at the front end of the process and then making sure that you apply what you've learned through the FMEA and RCM process to optimize your maintenance procedures and plans. And we find that organizations that do that are the ones that have the most success with their RCM program. And of course, we've been doing this for 40 years or 30 years, decades anyway. And we've been not only benchmarking, but also implementing. So we have a lot of experience in this. What makes this one a little different? Yeah, you could buy narrated slides, but what we've put together is an active integrated learning experience where people interact with the content. It has learning checks where people are reminded of what the most important concepts are, and you can validate that people are actually learning it. And ultimately, it becomes a toolkit because it has a whole resource library of templates, processes, procedures, and other tools that you will use in your role as a reliability engineer or as someone just implementing RCM.